Hey there, adventurers. Ryan here with another TMR Tours. Today we are going to talk about some hidden food gems at Walt Disney World. So these are some foods you may have missed, whether it's counter service, snack, etc. But we are going to take a look at some hidden things that we enjoy that we feel you should know about. First stop on our list is Captain Cook's over at the Polynesian Resort. If you've never taken a look over at the Polynesian, we highly recommend it. The atmosphere is amazing, they have some great food, and they feature one of our favorite bars on property. Now we're going to take a look at the Thai coconut meatballs. It is a very unique and interesting dish, but it was delicious. We also sampled the Polynesian noodle bowl, which again, very good, very unique flavors. Another thing that we wanted to note here was the Aloha pork sandwich, a very good Polynesian style pulled pork sandwich. If you're on the monorail loop, resort hopping, we would recommend coming over to the Polynesian and taking a peek at one of our favorite resorts on property. Next on the list, we're going to head over to Disney Springs to a very little known booth that is kind of new. It is Esaki. So you can find this right by Planet Hollywood at the bridge going towards Mario and Enzo's, but we are here to look at the chicken teriyaki Bao Buns. Some of you guys may remember these from the Food and Wine Festival this past year in 2018, and they were a huge hit, so big in fact they brought them here to Esaki at Disney Springs. So if you enjoyed those Bao Buns at Food and Wine, come over here to Springs and have them again. Next on our list, we're going to head to Adventureland by the Enchanted Tiki Room to the Spring Roll Cart. Now this is very popular on the trendy side of Disney, and it can be hard to find. So if you look towards the Enchanted Tiki Room, you'll find the Spring Roll Cart. We sampled the cheeseburger egg roll as well as the buffalo chicken, and both were amazing. Next on our list is Sunshine Seasons at Epcot's Land Pavilion. This is an amazing eatery with tons of food, but today we're going to look at the whoopie pies. Now the red velvet whoopie pies are starting to make their appearance over at Magic Kingdom in the form of Mickey and Minnie pies, but here at Epcot was where they first sampled them at Sunshine Seasons. So come have a look at this delicious red velvet whoopie pie. Also, I forgot to say, it is a snack credit on the dining plan. Finally on our list, we're going to head over to Pandora in Animal Kingdom to Pangu Pangu. One of our favorite things here that a lot of people overlook is the pineapple lumpia, or the Pangu lumpia. Now what this is basically like a fried wonton of sorts, and it is filled with pineapple and cream cheese, so it is very sweet but also decadent at the same time.
There's chunks of pineapple along with that kind of melted cream cheese, making a really awesome, it tastes like cheesecake with little chunks of pineapple on it. So if you're a fan of Dole Whip or the pineapple upside down cake, you're gonna love this.
We were even surprised how good it was. So if you're in Pandora, check out that pineapple Pangu lumpia. It is so good, and it's available for breakfast and for dinner, and again, a snack credit on that dining plan. So we hope you enjoyed some of these food gems. We love these foods. We hope you do too. If you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications.
Thanks for joining us on this TMR tour.
Subscribe for more vacation tips.
Drop a comment below with what you want to see next.
For more information and Disney tips, check out all of our social media. See you on another adventure from around the world. Congaloosh!